All right, so I received a phone call today while I was at my day job. Well, I was at my day job, and they said, they're looking for a pool guy. And I told them, yeah, I can stop by today, give you a quote, see your pool, see how it is. So this is my second inquiry within like a month, within the month, right? So I'll let you guys know how it goes. I'm about to talk to her in about 5 minutes. I'm almost there right now. Keep you guys updated. All right, so I just got done cleaning my first official swimming pool. It was amazing. So usually cleaning a pool, it takes like 20-30 minutes on average, right? If you know what you're doing. But man, I made sure to clean that thing like left and right. I went around like 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, you name it. I was cleaning that thing. And then on top of that, my vacuum wasn't working, which was awful. So other than that, the bank payment went through. I received it. She paid me. I'll be back there every Tuesday. I haven't talked to her yet. I don't know if she likes the way I clean, or I don't know. She didn't say anything bad, so we'll know next week. But she already paid for the month, so we got one more week for this month. It's almost the end of the month already. So like I said, I'll be back next week. That was my first official swimming pool. Sorry I couldn't, record it because I didn't want to like scare her or something, right? I didn't want her to say no to me and all that stuff. So here's all my stuff. I have, let me show you guys what I got. I got my chlorine. I got my vacuum head. I have, look at all this, guys. Look at all this trash that I got. Look at all this trash. Watch. This is not part of the trash. This is my brush. It's not part of the trash. Look at all these trash that I got from her. Look, the pool was so disgusting. I wish I could have taken you guys to see the pool, but I didn't want to, ruin my first client, right? Also got my chlorine tabs. I didn't bring the big ones. I got my pole right here. So, all right, guys. I'm tired. I was there for about an hour and 10 minutes. I'm beat. Thank you guys for being here, watching me. I'll keep you guys updated with this journey, okay? I'll see you guys next time.